Hi, today we're going to Powerscourt Waterfall. The road to Powerscourt Waterfall is very beautiful and green. You can see lots of mountains and valleys. All the roads in Ireland are very beautiful. You have to get a ticket at the gate. The cost for a family is €20. If it's like you want to get a separate ticket for everyone, it's like for children it's a different cost. For like a couple it's a different cost. You can see it all on their website. At the gate you'll also be able to buy some wild honey. This is such a huge, mind-blowing waterfall. We all enjoyed playing there. You can walk down to this river that flows from a mountain. It is very cold, but we still played it there because it was a lot of fun. Me and my friend Mickey had a lot of fun playing in the water. Powerscourt Waterfall is very big. You can camp, you can play, you can have a picnic, anything you really want. Most of the time my little brother was running around. This was the end of autumn. There were no leaves left on the tree, but when it's spring, all the leaves will come back again. This was a fun-filled day for me and my friend. We were tired by the end of the day because we were playing so much.